Hello dear traders, we are glad to welcome you on ИнстаФорекс TV channel. You are watching the weekly link up with me, Tahmina Salomova. In this edition, we are going to discuss the ongoing situation in the Forex market. Besides, technical analyst Petr Yakimovic will help us forecast further dynamics of popular trading instruments. Traders are braced for one day of the key political events of the year. The first round of the presidential election in France is due on Sunday. Experts are warning traders to exercise caution amid high volatility on Forex. But nothing ventured, nothing gained. Hi Petr, from your viewpoint, what sentiment is setting the tone for trading the euro-dollar pair, bullish or bearish?
Hello dear traders. I'm expecting downward movement on the euro versus US dollar. I found, according to the hourly time frame, I found there is a divergent bar. It is uptrust bar which closed on the low, I also found a divergence, bearish hidden divergence on the oscillators, which is a good sign that the price may go to at least downward correction, since we got some upward movement in the background. But the price can also made a new downward leg, and my advice is actually to watch for a selling opportunity to this currency pair. Targets are set at the price of 1.0700, 1.0640, and 1.0600. So again, due to the divergent bar and the bearish hidden bearish divergence on the oscillators in the background, my advice is to watch for a selling opportunity to this currency pair. The stop loss, the good stop loss for this selling, or the analysis will be wrong if the price go above 1.0780. So my advice is actually to watch for selling opportunities, again with the first target at 1.0700.
The pound sterling skyrocketed to a 6.5-month high in response to the announcement about a snap general election in the UK. Do you think a correction is possible next week?
Similar like on the euro versus US dollar, the British pound versus US dollar got a big weakness in the background. There is a big upward bar which finished in the middle, and this happened basically after the Prime Minister May's speech a few days ago. So that forced this big strength, but in this big strength actually the professionals actually sell into the strength, and they created this weak close of this bar, which is a big weakness, by the way, for traders. In my advice, absolutely watch for selling opportunities, because the buying looks very risky at this moment, since there is a big weakness in the background. To confirm this weakness, I would like to see the price go below the 1.2760, which is a key support at the moment on the British pound versus US dollar. If the price go below 1.2760, watch for a target at 1.2665 and 1.2525. Again, there is also a hidden bearish divergence of the oscillators, the divergent bar, followed by also this big weakness in the background. So absolutely my advice to watch for selling opportunities below 1.2760.
Will the US dollar be able to advance against the Japanese yen in the short term?
I'm expecting upward price on the USD versus Japanese yen. I found there is a broken supply trend line in the background, watching the hourly time frame, and there is also a hidden bullish divergence on the oscillators and the divergent bar in the background, which is still active. I see some first targets at 109.40, which is the very first target, and then 109.85, and the price go and breaks these two targets. The price can even go to 111, 111.50. If the price go above, let's say, 110 mark. So again, due to the broken supply trend line in the background, hidden bullish divergence in the background, my advice to watch for buying entries with the first target 109.40.
Petr, now let's discuss how the currencies which deserve traders' attention next week.
I'm expecting downward movement on the Australian dollar versus US dollar. I opened a weekly chart for this currency pair, and I found there is actually a strong supply trend line, strong resistance on the weekly chart, and my advice is absolutely watch for selling opportunities. But the key support on this currency pair is at 0.7460. This is a key support according to the weekly time frame, according to the daily time frame. If the price drop and go below this level, the take profit will be set at 0.7170. Again, there is also some divergence, some bearish divergences on the lower time frames. There is a strong supply trend line on the weekly time frame. And again, my advice to watch for a selling opportunity.
Thank you, Peter, for your valuable recommendations. See you next week. ИнстаФорекс technical expert Peter Rikimevich has presented his trading recommendations on ИнстаФорекс TV channel. Don't miss our next edition.